I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a flat Fresnel or reading magnifier, lens size to cover your phone. Measure the phone's active display and mark the lens center so images stay sharp. Once measured, cut a simple holder from cardboard or thin plastic and create a 1/2-inch clearance from the screen to avoid glare. Assemble the lens into the holder and test alignment. If the view is off, shift the lens slightly toward the top or bottom until the image is centered and crisp. Next, you refine focus by fine-tuning the lens distance from the screen, move in small increments and watch clarity improve. Make sure to angle the holder roughly 20 to 30 degrees so you can view hands-free while still touching the phone if needed. Once the optical focus is good, add foam padding to prevent scratches and affix magnets or elastic bands for quick attachment. This gives you stable magnification without wobble. If the picture warps, try a slightly different lens focal length or change the angle. To finish, secure all edges, sand sharp cuts, and test the magnifier across different apps and videos to confirm consistent performance. Make sure to check for hotspots and reflections, apply a matte sticker, or reposition the phone to reduce glare. If the image is still blurry or colored at the edges, swap to a different Fresnel focal length or fine-tune the distance in millimeter steps until chromatic aberration lessens. Finally, test stability. If it slips, add non-
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.